What's going on, Airsofters? Welcome to a new channel, Alpha Male Airsoft, where I'll be bringing you plenty of gameplays, reviews, etc. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Pushing up, left side, R12. Let the rest of them push with them. Watch your left side, Si. We're still hidden at the minute. Hit. Yeah, I got him. One down, another one. One down, another one. Another one pushing up your left. Hit! Sweet. Got him. Hit! Good shot, mate. Good shot, well played.
Hit! Hit!
Well played.
Mark, push this way now, push this way.
Which way are we pushing?
This way, push down.
Push down, towards them, yeah?
Mark, push forward.
I'm going to use the cover. We've got enemies, Mark, 12 o'clock in the deep bushes there. They've got eyes on. 12 o'clock, 3 enemies, 4 enemies, contact. They all hit? Keep firing them then.
Got one. He took his hit in the,
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my very first video on Airsoft. If you have any tips or recommendations, please comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, guys.
No, I don't think so. I took him out. He's still got his hand in there, I think.